This is the story of two very different roommates. Maya loves everything neat and perfect. Every plate, every spoon, always in place. Ethan, on the other hand, is a free-spirited artist. Paint on his hands, ideas in his head, and sometimes dishes in the sink. They share one small apartment and one very messy kitchen. But instead of fighting, they do something unusual. They try to outpolite each other. And that's where the real story begins.
Oh, Ethan? I was just wondering if you had by any chance noticed the situation in the kitchen?
Oh, well, actually, I did notice something creative happening there. I mean, the plates are kind of forming a sculpture.
I see, that's one way to describe it. I mean, it also seems that the sculpture might be growing.
Oh, really? That's fascinating. I hadn't realized it was evolving.
Yes, quite rapidly, I would say.
Well, I mean, art does take time, you know.
Of course. And I completely respect the creative process. I was just wondering if the, materials could perhaps be washed?
Oh, you mean the dishes?
Yes, the dishes.
Well, actually, I was thinking of washing them. At some point, eventually.
That sounds promising.
I mean, I didn't want to rush it. Creativity shouldn't be forced.
Naturally, but it seems that the smell might be forcing itself on us.
Oh, is it that noticeable?
Well, I mean, the neighbors might soon start appreciating your art as well.
Oh, that's not ideal.
Not particularly.
Well, I was wondering if you perhaps felt strongly about the dishes, you might want to wash them?
Oh, actually, I would love to. I truly would. But it seems that I have already washed them every day this week.
Oh, have you?
Yes, quietly, very quietly.
Wow, I mean, that's very kind of you.
Thank you. I try to be helpful.
Well, I guess I may have overlooked that.
It seems that way.
Okay, well, I was just wondering if maybe we could share the responsibility.
Oh, that's exactly what I was hoping to suggest.
Really?
Yes. I mean, it seems fair that we both contribute to the creative and cleaning process.
I like that. A balance between chaos and order.
Exactly.
Okay, so how about this? I cook, you clean?
Oh, that's an interesting proposal.
I mean, I do make pretty good pasta.
You do. But it also seems that your pasta creates a lot of dishes.
Well, good food comes with consequences.
That's true. What if we try something slightly different?
Okay, I'm listening.
We could alternate days. One day you cook and clean. The next day I do both.
Oh, that sounds surprisingly fair.
I try to aim for fairness.
I mean, that actually works.
Great.
Well, I guess I should start with today.
Oh, that would be wonderful.
Yeah, since I may have contributed to the current situation.
It does seem that way.
Okay, I'll clean everything.
Thank you. I truly appreciate that.
Oh, and Maya?
Yes?
Next time, if something bothers you, you can just tell me directly.
Oh, I thought I was being direct.
Well, you were being very polite.
I see.
Maybe slightly less polite next time?
I'll consider that.
And I'll try to be slightly less chaotic.
That would be amazing.
You know, this might actually work.
Yes, it seems that we've reached an unspoken agreement.
Oh, I like that.
Me too.
And just like that, without a single argument, they found a way to live together. Not by being louder, but by being kinder. Sometimes the best agreements are the ones we never say out loud.